Edo people go soon enjoy ogbonge transport services as the new Edo Line Nigeria Limited go start operation for June 27, 2025. Governor Gov Okpebholo yarn those one when he go do check on top some ongoing projects for Edo South. Governor Okpebholo come yarn say with wetin him eye don see for the new Edo Line station, belle sweet and wella with wetin dem don do so far. He come yarn say him just come check to make sure say everything done ready before dem start, say the new Edo Line station done ready and all the motos done also ready.
To look at what is going on in the new proposed Edo Line station, because the vehicles are ready, everything is set. We're trying to see how we can commence. The idea is for me to come and look at what they have done in preparation of our commencement. So that is the reason why this visit this morning.
The managing director of Edo State Transport Authority, Oligbe Henshaw, come confirm and say the terminal done ready for operation and say on the 27th of June, then go start operation wella. E come stay and say the remaining work like partitioning, CCTV and control room go dey completed before next week Friday.
By the special grace of God, on the 27th of June this year, we are commencing operation properly. The projects that are ongoing here, by next week Friday, we are rounding up those projects. The canopy trucks, the partitioning, the CCTV, the control room that are here.
The check waka not stop there as the governor and the team also carry waka go Saple Road, where be one major federal road wey link Edo and the other state. For there, e come yarn the contractor say make them do the work sharp sake of the traffic wahala people they face for the road.
This road is a major road in Benin City and it links to another very important city, that is Warri, Delta State. Now, look at what is happening here. For the past 1 hour or 2 hours, vehicles are static in one particular position, so they are not moving. That is the reason why we felt this road must be completed quickly as possible. I've just spoken to the company constructing this road now. They said in 2 weeks' time, they should be able to do this span aspect of the road. So with that, I think the traffic will be moving freely, and that is exactly what we are looking for.
Leon Fon, CEO of CBC Group, where they handle the road work, come promise say them go finish the main part of the road where they worry people within 2 weeks.
And currently we're doing this Benin Saple Road, and right now for this section we have finished the 1 kilometer stone base, and it's ready for stabilization. This week we're gonna start laying the stabilization today, and next week Monday, Tuesday we'll start the casting, and very soon you'll see the easy of the burden of this traffic volume. And under the governance of the governor, and everybody here is elected to help us. So that's why I want to say thank you to governor and appreciate his assistance and his understanding.
The governor Costi Wakago Chukai on top Temboga Road and Palace Road, where should say in government they're serious about fixing roads across the state. Make una not forget say, as we see them, now so we dey talk 'em. We not the take blame. Kata Ojiseli, TMC News.